Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a zoomable image in Google Sites. Yeah, so you can make your images interactive and more engaging. First, open Google Sites and navigate to the site where you want to add your zoomable image. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Next, click on the Insert menu and select Image. Upload your image from your computer or choose one from Google Drive. Now here's the cool part. Select the image on your page, click the Settings or Format option, and turn on the Click to Zoom feature. This will allow visitors to click your image and zoom in for details. You can adjust the image size, alignment, and position to fit your page layout. Just drag and resize it, so it looks perfect on your site. Finally, click the Preview button to test your zoomable image. Click on it to make sure it enlarges smoothly. If it works, you're all set. And that's it. Now you know how to add a zoomable image to your Google site. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.